Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best outdoor folding chairs is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own, offering unparalleled convenience for everything from backyard barbecues and camping trips to beach days and sporting events. Imagine effortlessly setting up comfortable seating wherever you go, transforming any spot into a relaxing oasis. These chairs are designed for portability and ease of use, making them an indispensable companion for anyone who loves spending time outdoors and wants to do so in comfort and style. Number 5. Best Choice Products Gray Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, 2-pack. Experience unparalleled comfort with our set of 2 lounge chairs. They effortlessly recline to a perfect zero-gravity position, adapting to your body for ultimate relaxation. Take comfort wherever you go. These chairs feature a lightweight, foldable design, making them ideal for the beach, park, or any outdoor event. Stay connected and refreshed with the convenient detachable tray. It includes holders for your drinks, phone, and tablet, keeping everything you need close by. Enjoy lasting quality with a robust steel frame and durable textile fabric. They offer a reliable weight capacity and are built for extended use. Customize your comfort with the included removable and adjustable headrests. Find your perfect angle for maximum relaxation, whether sitting up or reclining fully. These chairs offer generous space when open, providing ample room to relax. When it's time to pack up, they fold down compactly for easy storage and transport. What we like? Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth zero-gravity recline. This chair features a convenient detachable tray for all your essentials. If you are looking for a chair that offers supreme comfort and convenience for lounging in your backyard or by the pool, this is the one for you. What people say. The chairs are lightweight and easy to carry, making them perfect for camping or picnics. The built-in cup holder is a convenient feature for keeping drinks within reach. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, even on uneven surfaces. Number 4. Best Choice Product Set of 2 Zero-Gravity Lounge Chairs. Experience unparalleled comfort with our zero-gravity lounge chairs. They smoothly glide into the perfect ergonomic position, adapting to your body's weight for ultimate relaxation. Take comfort wherever you go. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them perfect for the beach, park, or any outdoor adventure. Stay connected and refreshed with the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder, keeping your essentials within reach. Enjoy lasting quality and support. These chairs are built with durable textile fabric and a robust construction, offering a reliable 250-pound weight capacity. Customize your comfort with removable, adjustable headrests. Find the perfect angle for reading, napping, or simply enjoying the view. When not in use, they fold down compactly for easy storage and transport. Ready for your next outing in seconds. What we like? Enjoy a weightless feel with its ergonomic zero-gravity reclining system. The detachable tray keeps your drinks and devices within reach. If you prioritize a comfortable and convenient seating solution for beach trips or outdoor events, this chair is an excellent choice. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for outdoor events. It folds flat for convenient storage and transport. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability. Number 3. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler. Introducing the ultimate portable camping chair. Designed for your outdoor adventures, it offers unparalleled comfort and convenience. Never miss a moment of the action. With a built-in cooler, you can keep your favorite beverages chilled and within easy reach. Enjoy your drinks effortlessly. The convenient mesh cup holder ensures your beverage is always secure and accessible. Experience true relaxation with its fully cushioned seat and back. It's designed to provide support for hours of enjoyment. Keep your essentials close by. Handy side pockets offer convenient storage for your phone, keys, or other small items. Rely on its robust construction. The strong steel frame ensures stability and durability for all your outdoor activities. Take it wherever you go. It comes with an included carry bag, making transportation and storage a breeze. What we like? Keep your drinks perfectly chilled with the integrated fork and cooler. It offers a fully cushioned seat and back for extended comfort. If you're a tailgater or camper who loves having cold beverages readily available without leaving your seat, this chair is a must-have. What people say. The chairs are easy to fold and unfold, making them convenient for storage and transport. The sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, even on uneven surfaces. The comfortable seating design provides good support for extended periods of use. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Introducing the Freestyle Rocker from GCI Outdoor. It's your perfect companion for relaxing by the campfire or enjoying outdoor events. Experience comfortable rocking anywhere your adventures take you. Whether at a sports game or a backyard barbecue, this chair is ready. It features a convenient drink holder and supportive backrest, letting you enjoy more time outdoors. Our patented spring-action rocking technology allows for a smooth rocking motion on any surface. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, and the mesh backing ensures great airflow. With EasyFold technology, setting up is a breeze. Simply push the seat frame out and down. Packing it up is just as quick and easy. This chair is designed for your comfort and built to last. Enjoy its solid armrests and comfortable backrest, all within a durable frame. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, it's easy to carry wherever you go. Its compact folded dimensions make storage and transport simple. What we like. Enjoy a smooth rocking experience on any terrain thanks to its innovative technology. The solid armrests provide stable support, and it's easy to carry. If you love the gentle motion of rocking and want a comfortable chair for camping, sporting events, or just relaxing on your patio, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The chairs are comfortable and easy to set up. They are lightweight and portable, making them great for camping or picnics. The durable construction ensures they will last for a long time. Number 1. Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Recliner. Discover unparalleled comfort with our Zero Gravity Recliner. Its smooth reclining system adjusts perfectly to your body for a weightless feel. Stay cool and protected from the sun with the adjustable canopy shade. The comfortable, removable headrest ensures you can relax in any position. Crafted for the outdoors, this chair features UV-resistant mesh on a sturdy steel frame. It's designed to provide lasting support and exceptional comfort. Keep everything you need within reach with the detachable side tray. It includes 2 cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder for your convenience. Enjoy this chair wherever you go, thanks to its lightweight and folding design. It's perfect for your patio, the beach, or any outdoor adventure. With a robust steel frame and a 250 pounds weight capacity, this chair is built for durability and reliable use, season after season. What we like. Stay protected from the sun with its adjustable canopy shade. It offers a smooth zero-gravity recline for maximum comfort. If you need a chair that provides both sun protection and a luxurious lounging experience for your patio or beach days, this recliner is ideal. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and easy to set up. It is lightweight and portable, making it great for camping or picnics. The durable material ensures it will last for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.